Yeah. How you doing, guys? This is Luis Perez. Was working on this 2009 Honda Accord with 4 cylinders. We had a problem with the PO 303 and PO 302, and also we have the code 300 and the code for the crank position sensor. Uh, After I did some research and took me a long time to do it, find out that after you replace the plugs and all this kind of stuff uh, for to fix the problem, in advance I can tell you that don't place anything else but the components that they need to be replaced, and don't change no plugs, don't change no injectors, don't change anything that is not gonna help. Not even change the computer, because sometimes you think it's the computer. I find out the fix on this one by doing the relearn on the CKP, chrome position sensor. And if you don't have a scanner to do that, take it to the closest mechanic or closest mechanic shop from you. The reason is that there is no other way to relearn the CKP or the crank position sensor unless you have a scanner. I wish I can have the answer without using the scanner, but in this case, you have no choice. You have to do it with the scanner. Do the relearn on the CKP ground position sensor, and everything will be fine. The reason that I made this video is because I see too many things online that they couldn't find the fix. On this case, the fix was that because the check engine light was flashing, meaning that there was a severe misfiring on number 2 and number 3. So I did the relearn on the current position sensor, and boom, fix it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next video.